Hindi makita na. Done now. So this one are parts of the plant. On the other side is the
Okay na? Nakuha na English? Hi! Nanay, libro tanan? Insay wala. Okay. Turn your page on Group 1 lang ang nagsiran ha. Oh, kana puzzle. Copy and answer. Paminaw. Group 1 na ha, kaning puzzle. Wala ning group 2. Okay, number 1. Sleep. By sleep. Lantawa sa puzzle. Gisirkulan ba niya ang sleep o ang speak? Speak. S-P-E-A-K. Speak. Speak. S-E-S-P-E-A apple o key. Speak. Mana? Keep. Isirkulan ng keep. K-E-E-P. Forget. F-O-G-E-T. Isirkulan. Beg. Beg. B-E-G. Tell. Si tell me. Ang eat. Ang eat. Eat ha. E, apple, T. Eat. Okay na? O, sige, let's proceed to 201. B. Okay. Number 1, please read. My friends. What's the answer? Use or wear? Very good. Use. Number 2. Basa. He put on rope after bath. Unsa man? Rope basa. Stone or bone? Unsa may kuha sa nice stone ang manok? Unsa man? Very good, bone. So number 4. We polls vote for those choose. Polls or vote? Very good, vote. Number 5. Light. Basa. Light. Mole or hole? Hole. Extra hole. Hole ha, hole. Bangag, oh, very good, bangag. Number 6. Basa. Zone or home? Home. Home. Number 7. Basa. Stone or bones? Very good. Stones. Number 8. Basa.